Michael Saylor settles with the SEC. Well, that news headline goes back to the year 2000, when MicroStrategy was making up some numbers in order to help the value of MicroStrategy shares go up. Now, in the year 2000, he had to settle MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor personally. He had to settle with the SEC for around $11 million, and now he is being accused of evading taxes. Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy sued for tax fraud. So what's going on is they're saying that he lived in the District of Columbus for a long time, but he was not paying taxes there. Now, as far as I know, Michael Saylor has residence in Florida as well. So he might claim that he's actually living in Florida, where the lawyers are going to have to argue all of that. But this is what's going on. The District of Columbia is suing Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy for alleged tax fraud. DC Attorney General Carl Racine announced the suit on Twitter today, accusing Saylor of avoiding as much as 10 years worth of income taxes. MicroStrategy stock dropped 5% as news of the charges broke. It's very interesting that this guy, Carl Racine, went on Twitter to announce this lawsuit. It almost seems like this guy just wants to show off. But who knows exactly what's going on. The important thing is it related to Bitcoin? Is it going to be in relation to Bitcoin? Is the lawsuit going to be in relation to Bitcoin? We don't know. Now, Michael Saylor, they're alleging that he owes taxes for the past 10 years, and I know Michael Saylor hasn't been holding Bitcoin for the last 10 years, so it's more recent. It's more like 5 years or 4 years. So I don't know exactly if it's related to Bitcoin. Hopefully it's not, because it is, then yet another hit on Bitcoin. But as far as Michael Saylor, he has not said anything yet on Twitter. He has not posted anything or given any interviews. Let's look at. Let's read a little bit more. Saylor faces tax fraud suit. One of Bitcoin's biggest whales has some legal trouble to contend with. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor is facing lawsuit on tax fraud allegations. Washington, D.C. Attorney General Carl Racine announced on Wednesday. So this is what this guy, the Attorney General in the District of Columbus, said. He said, "We're suing Michael Saylor, a billionaire tech executive who has lived in the district for more than a decade, but has never paid any DC income taxes, and we're suing him for tax fraud." Like I said, Michael has not responded. Probably his lawyers are working on it. And I think his defense is that he actually lives somewhere else. But we'll see what happens. And this is the other article that I was talking about in the beginning. This is in the year, goes back all the way to the year 2000. This is why it doesn't give Michael Saylor a good reputation, as far as him looking guilty or not. Because in the year 2000, the SEC charged that MicroStrategy materially overstated its revenues and earnings after going public in the mid 1998. Because of premature recognition of revenue from software sales, the commission said MicroStrategy reported profits through the end of last year when it actually was losing money. That helped push the price of the company's stock as high as $333 a share. But after the restatement announcement, the stock lost more than 60% of its value in just one day. The stock has continued to fall since then and was trading for about $14 earlier today. So yeah, it looks like Michael Saylor has some history of maybe trying to get away with certain things to raise the value of a MicroStrategy. But once Michael Saylor says something, I will update you on the story. But that's what's going on right now.